Viral ngayon ang isang video clip mula sa content ng isang YouTube channel na World Friends kung saan tampok ang mga babaeng iba't iba ang lahi na ng hula sa edad ng mga Filipino celebrity. Isa sa mga Filipino celebrity na hinulaan nila ang edad ay ang kapuso star at socialite na si Heart Evangelista. I would give 45, hula ng isang babaeng taga-Brazil na nagngangalang Julia. Because of the line and also I feel the heavy makeup.
35. Oh, wow, that's fast. I would give 45 because of the line and also I feel the heavy makeup. I'll just go older.
Pero sabi naman ng taga-Spain na si Laura, I'll just go older this time. I'll say 50s. I really feel like she's older. And do you remember you mentioned that when you're really young we try to go all out, like strong makeup and everything, and in your 30s or 40s, you try to look more natural. But she's back to the heavy stuff. It doesn't feel like she's young, wika pa ni Julia. Napansin naman ni Jessica na taga-US na tila nagpanose job umano si Heart batay sa hitsura ng ilong nito. I'm so sorry if I'm wrong but it doesn't seem like she might have a nose job. Which looks like one that has grown a little bit, aniya. Dagdag pa ni Jessica, I'm only saying this because my grandma had one. And I could just tell what that was like. Pero nagsorry din naman si Jessica sa mga nasabi niya tungkol kay Heart matapos i-reveal ang totoong edad nito na 39 anyos. I didn't mean it, saad pa niya.